Living near a busy roadway has its advantages: convenient access, quick commutes, and easy connectivity. However, traffic noise can sometimes disrupt the peace and comfort of your home. If you live near active streets or intersections, your windows play a major role in how much outside sound enters your living space. For homeowners in Rowlett, upgrading to noise-reducing slider windows is an effective way to create a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment without sacrificing style or natural light. How outside noise enters the home: sound travels through gaps, thin glass, and poorly sealed frames. Older or outdated windows often allow traffic noise, engine sounds, and road vibrations to pass through more easily. In Rowlett homes near roadways, single-pane glass or worn weather stripping can significantly reduce sound insulation performance. Modern slider windows designed with sound control in mind help block and absorb unwanted noise before it reaches your interior spaces. Multi-pane glass for sound insulation. One of the most important features in noise-reducing windows is multi-pane glass. Slider windows in Rowlett can be built with double or triple pane glass configurations. The space between panes acts as a buffer, reducing the intensity of sound waves as they travel toward your home. This layered construction creates a noticeable difference in noise levels, especially in homes located near traffic-heavy areas. Advanced glass options for enhanced performance. Some glass technologies are specifically engineered for improved sound reduction. Rowlett homeowners can choose slider windows with specialized glazing that further limits sound transmission. These options help maintain a calm and peaceful indoor atmosphere even when outdoor activity increases. Tight seals and secure frames. Noise does not only pass through glass, it can enter through small air gaps around the window frame. High-quality slider windows feature durable frames and advanced weather stripping that create a tight seal when closed. In Rowlett homes, this secure fit helps reduce both air leaks and sound infiltration. Professional installation ensures that the window sits properly within the wall opening, eliminating small gaps that could compromise performance. Maintaining natural light and views. Upgrading for noise reduction does not mean sacrificing brightness. Slider windows in Rowlett are designed to maintain expansive glass panels that allow abundant natural light to enter. Homeowners can enjoy clear views of their surroundings while benefiting from improved sound control. Smooth operation and everyday convenience. Slider windows open horizontally along a track, making them easy to operate. In Rowlett homes, they offer both ventilation and sound reduction when closed. Their simple design complements modern and traditional architectural styles alike. Improving overall comfort. Reducing outside noise contributes to better relaxation, improved focus, and a more comfortable home environment. Whether you're working from home, entertaining guests, or enjoying a quiet evening, noise-reducing slider windows help create a peaceful interior space. Supporting long-term value. Window upgrades that improve comfort and functionality often enhance property appeal. In Rowlett neighborhoods, homes equipped with modern, sound-reducing windows may stand out for their added comfort benefits. A smart solution for quieter living. Living near roadways doesn't mean sacrificing tranquility. For homeowners in Rowlett, noise-reducing slider windows provide an effective way to block outside distractions while preserving natural light and style. With multi-pane glass, secure sealing, and professional installation, these windows help transform busy surroundings into calm, comfortable living spaces, allowing you to enjoy your home in peace.